Capricious is an adjective that describes someone or something that is unpredictable, impulsive or prone to sudden and unaccountable changes in mood or behavior. A capricious person may act on a whim or make decisions that seem inconsistent, while a capricious situation can shift unexpectedly, often without clear reason. Origins of capricious. The word capricious derives from the French capriccio and Italian capriccio, meaning whim or freakish behavior. These terms ultimately trace back to the Latin capra, meaning goat, perhaps reflecting the unpredictable nature of a goat's movements. It entered the English language in the 17th century and has since maintained its meaning of erratic or whimsical changeability. How to use capricious. Capricious is often used to describe people who are erratic in their decisions or moods, as well as situations or events that are unpredictable. It frequently carries a slightly negative connotation, implying instability or unreliability, though it can also suggest a playful spontaneity in some contexts. Example sentences. The weather here is notoriously capricious, changing from sunny to stormy in a matter of minutes. Her capricious decisions make it hard to rely on her for consistent leadership. Thus, he has a capricious sense of humor that keeps everyone on their toes. Similar words: whimsical, playfully unpredictable or fanciful. Fickle, changing frequently, especially in loyalty or affection. Erratic, inconsistent, or irregular in behavior or pattern. Nuances of capricious. While capricious can describe light-hearted unpredictability, it often suggests instability or a lack of dependability. For example, a capricious friend might be exciting but frustrating, while capricious weather could be inconvenient or even dangerous. In essence, capricious captures the essence of unpredictability, whether in people, nature, or circumstances. It reminds us of the ever-changing and often whimsical nature of life itself. Subscribe.